Hi, this is Ty Hyderali. I'm a plaintiff's lawyer. We concentrate in employment law in New Jersey and New York. Want to speak to you about a statute that was recently reintroduced into Congress by Congresswoman Bonnie Watson Coleman, who's out of New Jersey. And it has to do with the Crown Act. And Crown stands for Creating a Respectful and Open World for Natural Hair for 2022. And it basically is a statute that seeks to bar discrimination in the world of employment, housing, and education that surrounds hair when hair is associated with race or national origin. And this is a significant issue. It actually surrounds an interesting case in New Jersey. In 2018, a wrestler by the name of Andrew Johnson was prohibited from competing in a state wrestling match unless he cut off his dreadlocks. And there were numerous people who were extremely upset about this, and rightly so, believed that this was a racist demand made for this young wrestler to be able to compete. And out of this emerged the Crown Act, which was, as I said, recently reintroduced. And it specifically discusses the world of employment and states that it's a prohibited act to discriminate against someone based on their hairstyle if their hairstyle is connected to their racial background, national origin, with regard to hiring, firing, promotions, any disciplinary action, etc. And there was an interesting study done by the Joy, I believe it was the Joy Collective, and found that 80% of African American women at one point or another in the world of employment feel subjected to discrimination based on hairstyle. Numerous states are progressive and have already passed statutes that protect employees from discrimination based on hairstyle, New Jersey being one of them, New York and California being two others, and there's actually 9 other states in the country that have joined on. But as far as on a federal level, there have been some district court rulings that have been very restrictive in this area, hence the need for the Crown Act to be passed into law. This is Ty Hyderali. Be safe and be well.